Hi, we're going to look at how to place your ad on any TikTok video and share to social in a totally automated fashion. You'll need the RiteKit package to do this. This is currently $54 a month if you pay annually, $65 a month if you pay monthly. You'll be using the RiteBoost automation dashboard bulk creator, and we're going to create a formula. First, what you need to do on your phone, create a Google Drive sheet. We have a tutorial for this that you should see that shows the formatting, what goes in 2 to 3 columns. And then we'll look at creating a Drive sheet formula, importing the sheet, and generating social posts with your link ad on TikTok video links. You're going to create a Google Drive sheet in this format. Text of the post in column A, and then column B will have TikTok video link. Get the Google Drive Sheets app, install that, and then name a Google Drive sheet because you'll be importing this into RiteBoost Bulk Creator. Now switch to the TikTok app. Now what we're going to do is use Discover to either search for big accounts, influencers in the right field for your market, or search from topics. And the topics you can use top, go to users, or hashtags. Here I'm going to take this post, then I'm going to use the share menu, and I'm going to just copy link. Then I'm going to open Drive Sheets, open my TikTok Drive sheet, and I'm going to paste that TikTok link in column B. Column A would be the text for the post, and that's going to be generating a social post. Now back on my desktop in RiteKit, I go to Integrations, Connect Google. I already have this connected. Then RiteBoost, Enhance at the top, and open Bulk Creator, New Formula, Sheets. I'll switch to the account that I was using and import and TikTok, and it finds the sheet. Select that and load, and instantly the beginnings of a formula are created. Now I'm going to choose which ad I want to use. I want to use my new 10-second video ad just for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat. Looks good. I save that. Now I'll select all, enhance, and in just seconds, 6 minutes of work per post is done instantly. So you get auto hashtagging, you get it your way, you control that. I want emoji, maybe you don't, you wouldn't get them. You could append with an event hashtag, a brand hashtag. Remember that back in that Drive sheet, we didn't even use column C for the image, but RiteBoost got one anyway. Here we're going to see what people see when they click on the link. Let's remember that any social post that has a URL in it, the call to action, the inherent CTA, is click the link. So I can see which link ad I'm using. I could change that if I wanted to. I'll click in the Writely link and then click View. And here I see my Writely link ad on top of one of the most popular social media marketing influencers on TikTok. Remember, you control the branding, the colors, can be video, text, or image. The image could even be an animated GIF. As a matter of fact, for writing on top of TikTok videos, since they're already videos, we recommend using something other than a video for your link ad. So notice here, I like this for hashtag. I could get other hashtags from that. Add them to the end of the post. And this one I don't particularly like. And I save. And this is a post that would normally take 6 to 8 minutes to create with hashtag research and such, emoji, using an emoji picker, finding an image to attach, and of course the link ad placed on top of a TikTok video is exclusive. Again, if I go down through these posts, I'll find a lot of them I like the hashtag choices, go viral, followers, TikTok videos, niche down, go big. I like these consistency, but there would be a few where I would manually make some changes or just make something a hashtag, get hashtags from hashtags and such. This saves a tremendous amount of time. The results you see in incredible exposure for a business. So this is with the social that I create myself, and you're looking at 1.3 million brand impressions. It's how people know RiteKit from what we use our own software to accomplish, primarily with sharing Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook pages, TikTok videos, YouTube videos. A thing to know about sheet formulas in RiteBoost, reload will wipe clean the results. So this is a one-time use case. I'll set these up, make a couple polishes to the hashtags, and then I'll schedule to what I want to schedule to. And then what I'll do is just want to use it again, I'll delete it, and then it's really so quick to make a formula. Sheets, pick the account, import, just a few seconds. And I might even change to a different ad if I'm going to be enhancing and placing a different ad on top of the TikTok videos and then schedule to a different social profile. And if I have a bunch of posts already scheduled, then I'll use Shuffle to mix those posts in with what I already have scheduled. You can also share a single post. What you're going to need to find, though, is the URL for a TikTok video. Currently, there's no way to do this on desktop, so you will need to send to email or a drive sheet. But when you have the TikTok URL, you can also, without using the automation dashboard, simply use your RiteForge browser button to generate a post. Then decide which of your link ads you want to use with it. And I'll click View. And here, since I changed to a different ad, let's see what people will get. And they get this link ad, and it's placed on the left rather than the right. Then this I would schedule to where I'm going to send to, and add to queue or use schedule and repeat. So please use our help. You can do this when you're using our browser extension, search on Help Desk, or through our website, click Help, and you could browse categories or just search for your solution. But for example, for Writely, you'll find similar solutions for Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, nearly any blog. There are many ways to share content with your ad writing on top to ensure that everything you're sharing to social is getting you true social ROI. Thanks.